If you are planning to drive into Mexico, in my case, I live close to San Diego, so that's gonna be going to actually going through TJ border. I highly recommend you, no matter how many days, to be safe, to fill out FMM form for Mexico. It's pretty simple. I haven't done one yet, but I just want to show a little bit on how it looks. So I will put the link down below. Anyway, so basically, when you go to the link here, it will uh, display the form here. Then you'll be putting in your first name, last name, your country of birth. You know, you put USA here and your date of birth, country of residence, United States. Okay, yeah, I don't know about Canada, but I guess you can do whatever country you need to do here. You put in your residential address in United States, country of citizenship United States, purpose of travel. There's so many reasons here. You can be doing a business. There's a bunch of investor down to conferences. There are others. The main one may be like health. You're going there to see a doctor or dentist, for example. And also with that, you might be able to get, if you're going to be driving there instead of walking, you might be able to get the express, or I believe it's called ready card. So you, when you come back, you don't have come back to US at the border, you don't have to wait that long. There are special lane for ready, and even if you want, might cost you more money. There's another uh, fast way is to apply for Sentry, global Sentry. I think it might cost you $100 or $200, and you have to go through an interview. I haven't done that. Anyway, so you can put whatever reason there. In my case, if I'm gonna go there for like having fun, or go to a restaurant, have some seafood, I just put in recreation. Now, since I'm pretty close to San Diego border, uh, so you can actually enter Tijuana or TJ. So this is going to be your point of entry here. El Chaparro. Many people don't know, but if you look it up, there's a bunch of different entries here. But in San Diego, this is going to be El Chaparro. So that will help you. I was looking for Tijuana earlier, but I couldn't find it. So I looked up online, and it's actually El Chaparro. That's Chaparro. That's the entry here, and then you put in your entry date and how many days you're gonna stay there. Now you might find on website or Mexican website saying that as long as you don't stay over 72 hours, you don't need FMM form, and that's true, I guess. But in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and I mean, the chance of you being stopped by the Mexican officer is probably pretty rare in terms of they want to check your FMM form and anything like that. So I will have all of family members fill it out. And for example, you can put in your it can be hotel or Airbnb or whatever address you're gonna be staying here. It's gonna be address, okay, and it's in Baja California. So there's many different state in Mexico. There's a bunch of them here. So in my case, this is Baja California. And since we have U.S. passport, or some case you might have green card, or maybe some other foreign country passports like Canadian or whatnot, Japanese. So anyway, put your passport information here. There's also something called passport card. I don't know. I think you can apply there too, and I believe this might speed up entering, or reduce the wait time at the border too. Country of issue, United States. You put the passport number here, date of issue, whatever. You put it here, whatever it is. Oh, well, date of birth. Okay, sorry. Passport issue, expiration date, blah blah blah. You can click on the calendar and pick expiration date. It's required whenever you see the asterisk here. It's required for you to fill out father, mother, or guardian information. I guess if you can put in your, I don't know why they're asking that. Pretty interesting. So you can put in your father name or mother name or guardian, gender, male, female, date of birth, if you know. I don't think they're gonna check on it. I cannot even remember my father's or mother birthday, country of birth, blah blah blah. And then now, since I haven't completed the whole page here, you're gonna click next once everything completed here. And I believe, I don't know, there's a cost associated with this. It might be free, and then I guess when you submit it, you might have to pay something, maybe not. And not sure how many days it would take to approve. Hopefully, less than a week or so. Anyway, just want to show you what it looks like to fill out the FMM form. Again, if you're gonna be there for a day or two, by car, by land, probably if you forget to do this, I think you'll be okay. But in my case, I like to be well prepared. So hopefully this is helpful. I'm gonna put the link down below, and you have any comments, anything like that to share. I like I said, this might not be necessary for most people. Unless you're gonna be staying over 3 days, for example, 72 hours. Anyway, hope it's helpful, and we'll see you folks on the next video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to help me out with reaching more people. We'll see you folks on the next video. Bye for now.